Let's review and talk about the Balo earwax removal. This was gifted to me from the brand to show you, and let's go through what it does, what the benefits are, what the pros and cons are. So first thing is you want to make sure that you fill it with warm water. You don't want to use cold water, and it gives you the instructions just right here. There's two ways that you're going to be able to fill it. There's an opening right here. You can open this and just fill it right there, or you can also take it apart right here and you open it right here and just fill it directly into the tunnel. So this has a really nice magnetic capture. So everything that you capture is going to go right into that container just right there. So really easy cleanup. You're able to flush this out, clean everything out, super easy. Now you're going to have the on and off button, and this is the squirting button as well. So a couple other things before we actually demo it. So stick with me here. You have your charge right here, so USB, and that's going to come with your little cord. And then you have some instructions. You're going to have the quick start manual, and then a little bit more deeper dive into everything specific. One thing that I really love about this is it comes with extra color coded. So if you have multiple family members and want to keep the same one per family member, you're able to have 4 different colors right here. And that attachment is obviously the part that is going to tuck into the ear canal. And so let's take a look here as we get started so you can see the stream and how strong it is and what that looks like. So as you can see here, this is the power button, turning it on and off, and then there's pulse, soft, normal, strong. This is the button on the side that the water is going to come out. So right now, let's start it on soft. You can see that there. And then what's nice is this little tip right here, it comes out in multiple directions. So it's not just one. There's multiple angles that it's actually coming out. And I'm going to try and see if I can get it for you. You can see there's different angles right there. And now let's move to the next one. That's the normal, and then the strong, and then this is pulse. So really super simple to use. Let's check it out and see how it actually feels. Now, what I love again is just the simplicity of this. A lot of other earwax removers that I've tried, you have to hold a cup and it's kind of awkward. I've had ones that you use the squirting for, and that's kind of awkward too. So this is just like an all-in-one system. And so you don't even have to think about it. So you tilt your head over a little bit and then just let it go. And you can see it's filling up right there. So you can just go for as long as you need to. And then it pretty much is just really simple. And you can see the solution here. And then all you have to do is just take it right off, flush this out. And then when you're done, obviously you want to go ahead and empty the water. So you don't just let the water sit. It's great to just dry it all out. And so you don't harbor any bacteria. If you and your family need to have a device, maybe you're getting clogged ears a lot, maybe you're getting earaches, maybe your little one is getting earaches, this is such a great design. It also is useful. I've used an ear softener wax. We've done that before where you let that sit for a little bit and then we go ahead and use these as well. So that's another tip that might be helpful as well. Hopefully you were able to check out how great this is and how effective it is and how it might save you some finances as far as saving a trip to the doctor if you feel like if they need to flush out your ears. I know I've had mine flushed out at the doctor's office, and I've thought to myself, I could have done that at home because it's just the squirt bottle. Same concept, but even better because it's electric. So it's so much faster, so much easier. Hopefully, again, this was helpful, and we'll see you next time.